What's up, YouTube? This is Jay Lens. I haven't done a video in a while. I know I've been busy because I've been writing. But so yeah, anyway. So today is the day after my birthday, and I decided to give myself and my husband a treat. As you know, if you've been watching the videos, we have this thing with Walmart. We don't really get good stuff from Walmart because we think people are weighing and then resealing. But got this nifty, the exclusive game mat, seal play battle kit, whatever. So anyway, it's pretty much, as you see, for 20 bucks at Walmart, you get the mat. You get 10, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like there's 10. Looks like there's 10 packs and then a mat for 20 bucks. Let's see what we got. One's for me and one's for my husband. If I can open this, be fine. I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible. I need to find something to open this with. Good old knife. Alright, so you actually see me opening it. Alright, so let's see what we get from this one. I guess in all fairness, let's just say that this one is mine. So they got them taped or no, glued. Alright. Yeah. Oh. Thought it was an actual full mat, but you see it's like that. It's the small one. I mean, I guess it makes sense to have more room when you're dueling, so that's cool. Alright, so let's open first pack. We got a sorry, I'm like trying to get used to everything. Gilosaurus, Gemnite, Pearl. And because like almost all of the cards got some type. Oh, haha, Venus Chain. That's awesome. And then my other two, the Wind Up Dogs and the Helping Robo. Put that to the side. Alright. Next. It's kind of hard to see it because in daylight. I got an Inverse Universe. Yeah.
Randy, you got her?
And a Gotchi. Tribute to the Doom, Fable Raven, Big Jaws. Next pack. Dekochi, Starfoil. The first ones that I show you are going to be the Starfoil. I know you can't really see it because of the light, but... And then Premature Burial. Enemy Controller, Charcoal, Empachi, and the Zoroark. No, like I was trying to say, I know that there's like some commons in here that are pretty much not worth a lot, but as far as playability and everything, I know quite a few people looking for certain cards. And this is the second one. I have a Shield Crush and a Foxfire. That sucks. Level Warrior, Mad Dog, Infected Male. And I have to sneeze, so. Excuse me. I don't know if you can hear that, but that little doom 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 doom, that's my niece. Should be coming around. Oh, I just opened these. I have Bazoo and Harpy's Feather Duster. Toon Gemini Elf, Pitch Black Werewolf, and a Dark World Shackles. Oh no! What's the matter? Does your mom know I'm doing a video? Alright, the next 5. Come here. Hold on. Are you coming over here? Come on. Come here, baby. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Come here. Come here. You want to say hi? Say hi.
Mama.
No, there's no mama. Alright, you going to help Auntie? You show him? Yeah. Show him. Okay, hold on. I don't know how I'm going to do this, YouTube. Oh. Okay, hold that. Okay. I got a... Hold on, dear. Noisy Nat. And Utopia. And Snowman Eater, Xerion Universe, and another nosy Nat. It's funny. Snowman Eaters. Some people are looking for. Alright. Next pack. Here you go, dear. You're welcome. I have Miracle's Wake. Scapegoat. I have Freed, Vortex, and Changing Destiny. You helping, Auntie? Next pack. There you go. No, you don't get the cards yet. Here. Take that. Thank you. Alright. I have Keeper of Armageddon. That's what I got. Don't judge me. And a Grenosaurus. Big Bang Shot, Goblin Attack, and Twin-Headed Behemoth. I'll let you play with those a little bit later. After I find out the worth. Next. Here. Yeah. Jirac. And Premature Berry. I don't know. I got a Composed Doom Caliber Knight and a Goblin Bird. Alright, and then last pack in this one. And I'm going to take a break and see what we're going to do with this little one. Right? With this one? Yeah. My last pack gives me a Shield Warrior and a Leviathan Dragon. Have an Anti-Blizzard Dragon and Cloudy and Poison Cloud. Alright, so that's what came out of that pack. Well, that box or whatever. Oh no, I'm doing a video. Didn't get much except for him. Really. But you guys can be the judge of it. You let me know. Got a lot of XCs. Oh no. Got 2 Premature Burials. I don't know. You guys can let me know what you're willing to. What are you doing over here? Yeah. You gonna show what you're doing? No. Tell him. Tell him. No. Alright, well, anyway, that's it. And stay tuned for part 2. So I'm trying to see what we can do with this little one. And then I can open packs up faster. So the next video is going to be opening my husband's. And watch I pull the tour guide. And I will recant and be like, that was mine. Anyway, all right. See you in a bit, YouTube. Peace.